Welcome! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to allow your friends to see the photos you're tagged in on the Facebook app for PC using the new update. If you've been wondering why your friends can't see the photos where you've been tagged, or if you simply want more control over your tagging settings, this guide will walk you through everything step by step. First, open the Facebook app on your computer. Once it loads, look towards the top right corner of your screen and click on your profile picture. This will open a menu with a few different options. From here, click on Settings and Privacy and then select Settings. Now you'll see a list of categories along the left side of the screen. Scroll down a bit and click on Profile and Tagging. This section covers all the visibility settings related to who can post on your profile, who can tag you, and who can see tagged photos. Next, search for the option that says who can see what others post on your profile. To the right side of that option, you'll find a small drop-down menu. Click on it to open a list of visibility options. Here, you can decide exactly who can see posts and photos you're tagged in. By default, it might be set to only me or friends, except depending on your past settings. To make your tagged photos visible to all your friends, select Friends from the list. Once you've made your selection, click on Done to save the change instantly. Facebook will update the setting right away, so your friends will now be able to view tagged photos that appear on your profile. And that's all it takes. You've successfully adjusted your Facebook tagging settings to let your friends see the photos you're tagged in. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy to follow Facebook and social media tutorials. Thanks for watching.